Oh man, I was about 17, 18 years old, and you know, I had like looked at myself in the mirror, and I was confused because I was trying to grow my hair out and it wasn't growing out, and too many variables added up. And I had looked through an old photo album, and I'd seen a picture of me at like 14, 15, and I was like, I had more hair back then. This is weird. Then I had moved out to Colorado, and I really started to notice it. I had gotten off of work, taken off my hard hat, and seen that, oh my God, my hair is like unreasonably thin and uncomfortably thin for me. And I had gotten, back, and I just decided I needed to make a change. I needed to get this fixed. So I had tried some different shampoos, and not to name names, but I tried this Nioxin, I guess is what it's called, shampoo and conditioner for a couple months. Totally didn't work. I had gotten to see, like the Salon Suave Biotin shampoo, and that cost $150, $200, and I couldn't afford that, right? Every single time the bottle goes down, I'm selling an arm and a leg to get, a shampoo and conditioner that might or might not work. So, I tried those different products and just found that, wow, this might not actually be fixable, until I found Jernigan. And Jernigan's brought so much relief. I mean, the comfortability of walking into Jernigan's and them saying, we've got all these options. Let's find the one that works best for you. And that made me feel completely comfortable. So, it was having those options and knowing that these are actually clinically proven, which is why they're not selling them, on the shelf at Walmart. My biggest question would have been, does this actually work? From a real person, not somebody who's on camera all the time selling products, but from somebody who really got the procedure done around my age. And does it work? Did it actually work for you, and can I see it and look at it? And if that's my only question afterwards, then, I mean, they did a great job. I had to trust them, being somebody that didn't know anybody else that had the procedure. So I had to go in kind of blind, but now that I have been able to have the procedure done and my results are tenfold what I thought they would be, I mean, if I can go and share that with people my age, that this is okay, what's the problem if you can go have braces to fix your teeth for somebody to go fix their hair? What do you see first, hair or teeth? It's the same type of thing, in my opinion. Did I have regrets? None. Zero. I mean, not even a half of a percent of a regret. The comfortability, of being in an office where Dr. Cohen knows what he's doing. He is the man when it comes to it. And then Natasha, for example, she's so comfortable to be around. And they know and believe in their product. Up until now, being 21 years old, I mean, this is the best decision. I have zero regrets.